The sun rises over Africa, painting the sky with vibrant hues of orange and gold. It's a new day, full of promise and potential. But the dawn isn't just breaking in the sky, it's also illuminating millions of glowing screens across the continent. From bustling city centers to remote villages, a digital revolution is taking hold. From the vibrant, energetic streets of Lagos to the serene landscapes of rural Kenya, where traditional life meets modern innovation, a profound transformation is underway, reshaping societies and economies alike. This transformation is powered by connectivity, driven by innovation, and embraced by a generation eager to shape its own future. This isn't just about gadgets or faster internet speeds, it's about access to information, opportunities, and a global community. It's a fundamental rewiring of daily life, impacting everything from how people communicate and conduct business to how they learn and access healthcare. In Accra, a market vendor effortlessly accepts payment with a quick scan of a QR code, bypassing traditional banking systems and embracing the ease of mobile money. In a Ugandan village, a student downloads entire textbooks onto a single tablet, unlocking a world of knowledge previously out of reach due to cost and accessibility. Africa in 2025 is not just passively adopting technology from other parts of the world, but actively adapting, refining, and innovating with it, creating solutions tailored to the unique challenges and opportunities of the continent. The digital dawn is connecting people and places across vast distances in ways that were simply unimaginable even a decade ago, breaking down barriers and fostering collaboration. The traditional divides between city and village are blurring, as access to information and opportunities becomes more evenly distributed, bridged by invisible streams of data that flow through the air, connecting communities and empowering individuals. A designer in Dakar skillfully manages her entire business from the convenience of her smartphone, effortlessly reaching a global audience and competing in the international marketplace. This newfound connectivity is not just about convenience, it's about creating real economic opportunities, fostering sustainable growth, and empowering individuals to take control of their own destinies and build brighter futures. And at the heart of this digital revolution is Africa's youth, the world's youngest and most dynamic generation, who are digitally native, tech-savvy, and driving this transformation with their energy, creativity, and ambition. They're building innovative apps, launching groundbreaking businesses, and creating compelling content that authentically reflects their diverse cultures and perspectives, sharing their stories with the world. This is a truly homegrown movement, born from the ingenuity and resilience of the African people, solving uniquely African problems with innovative, locally developed technologies and solutions. Our journey will explore how seemingly simple technologies like mobile money platforms and e-commerce solutions are profoundly changing lives from the ground up, empowering communities and transforming the economic landscape of the continent. To truly understand the transformative power of Africa's digital present, we need to delve into its recent past. We need to understand the seeds that were sown, the challenges that were overcome, and the innovative spirit that propelled the continent forward. Let's go back to 2007 in Kenya, a pivotal year that would forever change the financial landscape of the nation and beyond. It was a time of both promise and challenge, a moment ripe for innovation. This was the year Safaricom, a leading mobile network operator, launched M-Pesa, a revolutionary mobile money transfer service. The core idea behind M-Pesa was remarkably simple, yet profoundly impactful. It aimed to enable people to send and receive money directly through their mobile phones, bypassing traditional banking systems. The process was designed to be as easy and intuitive as sending a simple text message. Crucially, it didn't require users to have a bank account, a significant barrier for a large portion of the population, or even a sophisticated smartphone. All that was needed was a basic mobile phone capable of sending and receiving SMS messages. This was particularly important in a country where access to traditional banking services was limited, especially in rural areas. However, mobile phone penetration was rapidly increasing, offering a unique opportunity to reach a vast, underserved population. This innovative approach was nothing short of revolutionary, disrupting traditional financial models and empowering individuals in unprecedented ways. Suddenly, a worker in Nairobi could easily and securely send money back home to their family in a rural village, instantly providing much-needed financial support. Over time, M-Pesa evolved into Kenya's digital payment backbone, facilitating a wide range of transactions and becoming an integral part of daily life. It became the preferred method of payment for everything from purchasing groceries at the local market to paying school fees for children's education. The phrase "I'll M-Pesa you" quickly entered the local lexicon, becoming a common expression for settling debts or making payments. The extensive agent network of M-Pesa, with its numerous kiosks and outlets, soon surpassed the reach of traditional bank branches. This widespread accessibility brought financial services to even the most remote corners of the country, fostering financial inclusion on a massive scale. The remarkable success of M-Pesa in Kenya served as a powerful blueprint and inspiration for the entire African continent. Recognizing the potential, other mobile network operators soon followed suit, with services like MTN Mobile Money and Airtel Money rapidly expanding their reach across various African nations. While each service adapted its offerings to cater to the specific needs and cultural nuances of the local communities it served, the fundamental principle remained the same: to leverage the widespread adoption of mobile phones to extend financial services to the masses, particularly those who had been previously excluded from the formal banking sector. The initial spark of innovation that ignited in Kenya has since grown into a roaring fire, fueling a financial revolution across the continent, and today, that fire continues to burn brightly, driving further innovation and transforming the financial landscape of Africa in profound and lasting ways. Mobile money's true power lies in its ability to reach those who have been historically left behind by traditional banking systems. It's about extending financial inclusion to the most remote corners of the world, where conventional banks simply haven't been able to establish a presence. For millions across the globe, opening a bank account was an impossible dream, a barrier they couldn't overcome due to systemic challenges and geographical limitations. No ID, often a fundamental requirement that many couldn't meet. No address, making it difficult to verify their residency and open an account. And for many, distant branches meant hours or even days of travel, making regular banking activities impractical. But then, mobile wallets changed everything, offering a lifeline to those excluded. Suddenly, all you need is a phone and SIM card to participate in the digital economy. The local shopkeeper, the familiar face in your community, becomes your bank teller, providing essential financial services right at your doorstep. This newfound accessibility has brought tens of millions of previously unbanked individuals into the formal financial system, empowering them to manage their money and build a better future. Now, people can store money safely and securely, protecting their hard-earned savings from theft and loss. They can easily make payments for goods and services, and begin to build a verifiable financial history, opening doors to new opportunities. For farmers, it means getting paid directly to their phones, eliminating the risks and costs associated with cash transactions. And for families, it means saving securely for education, healthcare, and other essential needs. Mobile money platforms now offer a wide range of services, extending far beyond basic transactions. They provide access to microloans, enabling small businesses to grow and thrive. They offer insurance products, protecting individuals and families from unexpected financial shocks. And they even facilitate investments, allowing people to build wealth and secure their financial future. Digital transactions create a valuable data trail, providing insights into spending patterns and financial behavior. This data is helping people manage their budgets more effectively, and empowering governments to track economic activity and make informed policy decisions. The informal economy is being empowered, not restricted, by these innovative tools, fostering entrepreneurship and driving economic growth from the ground up. Mobile money is far more than just a convenience. It's a catalyst for profound social and economic change. It's an engine of economic empowerment, driving financial inclusion and creating opportunities for millions. It's fundamentally transforming how Africa and other developing regions are engaging with the global economy. It's changing how Africa saves, fostering a culture of financial responsibility and long-term planning. It's changing how Africa spends, creating more efficient and transparent markets. And ultimately, it's changing how Africa grows, paving the way for a more prosperous and equitable future for all. In Africa's cities, the e-commerce boom is everywhere. Young professionals order lunch via apps, families buy everything from diapers to TVs online. This revolution is fueled by a young population, rising smartphone use, and urbanization. Homegrown giants like Jumia, Konga, and Takealot lead the way, innovating for African consumers. They integrate mobile money, build logistics networks, and offer pay-on delivery to build trust. The smartphone is now the mall, catalog, and cash register. Social commerce thrives. Brands launch collections on Instagram, take orders on WhatsApp, and get paid via mobile money. Small entrepreneurs compete with big brands, democratizing retail. E-commerce creates jobs in tech, logistics, and customer service. Delivery riders weave through traffic, getting packages to customers fast. Local merchants reach bigger markets than ever before. The digital marketplace is reshaping urban Africa, one order at a time. Bringing e-commerce to rural Africa means overcoming tough challenges: bad roads, patchy internet, and low digital literacy. But necessity sparks innovation. The last mile problem is solved by boda-bodas, motorcycles that reach remote homes. Companies set up local agents and pickup points in villages, making delivery possible. Offline apps let users browse and order even without constant internet. Community agents help neighbors place orders and handle payments, making e-commerce accessible to all. Rural e-commerce gives people access to more goods at better prices. Farmers can order hard-to-find equipment, families buy school supplies without long trips. Local agents and riders earn new incomes, creating economic opportunities. The digital bridge to the countryside is being built, one delivery at a time. Rural Africa is joining the digital economy. The gap between city and village is narrowing. Agriculture employs most Africans, but small farmers have long faced low productivity and limited markets. Now, mobile technology is sparking an agricultural revolution. Agritech platforms like Twiga Foods and FarmCrowdy connect farmers directly to urban markets. Farmers use apps to check prices, register produce, and schedule pickups, cutting out middlemen. Payments arrive instantly via mobile money. Platforms deliver weather forecasts, pest advice, and best practices via SMS or apps. Services like Hello Tractor let farmers rent equipment affordably. Agritech boosts yields, incomes, and makes farming more attractive to youth. It's building a more resilient, food-secure future. The mobile phone is now a vital farming tool. The African diaspora sends billions home each year, supporting families and fueling economies. Digital remittance platforms like WorldRemit and Sendwave make sending money fast, cheap, and easy. Funds arrive in minutes, directly to mobile wallets. In emergencies, this speed is life-changing. Diaspora engagement goes beyond cash. Cross-border e-commerce lets people abroad order goods for loved ones at home. Some platforms allow direct payment of bills, school fees, or insurance. Crowdfunding and investment platforms connect diaspora capital to African startups. These digital bridges strengthen bonds and drive growth. The flow of money, ideas, and support is two-way. Africa's transformation is powered by its global community. In 2025, Africa's digital transformation is happening now, everywhere. The journey isn't over, challenges remain, but momentum is unstoppable. This is an African story driven by local needs and innovation. Creativity is everywhere. Fintech apps, e-health, and ed-tech solutions built for Africa. In mobile money, Africa leads the world. The transformation is deeply human. A mother saving for her child, a graduate launching a business, a farmer doubling income, a daughter supporting parents from abroad. Each digital transaction is a step forward. As smartphones spread and data gets cheaper, change will accelerate. New solutions will meet new challenges. The digital revolution is reshaping life, work, and dreams in Africa. It's a story of hope, ingenuity, and a continent charting its own path. The world is watching. Africa is on the move. This story is just a glimpse of Africa's digital revolution. The real richness lies in millions of individual experiences and innovations. From fintech hubs to rural agents, everyone has a story to tell. What digital platforms have changed your life? What's the most innovative use of technology in your community? Join the conversation. Share your experiences and favorite apps. Let's learn from each other and celebrate Africa's ingenuity. The next chapter is being written now, and your voice matters. What's your digital Africa story?